3 days later.
Okay, Taya, please open your eyes. Look over here.
Yo, damn. I really don't know, but how many people are here? 20?
20? Guys, please drop a comment and let me know your guess, okay? The
Okay,
next one.
second part,
yes.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you, Taya and Maryna, for the great videos. Enjoy the holidays. You two can get drinks.
Drinks.
Cheers.
Okay, let's take
Tate
drinks.
Thompson.
Take a look. Cheers.
Cheers, Tate. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's try. I love this one. Is it your favorite one?
Yes, one of my favorite juices.
Oh, great. And I love tomato juice. So good.
Surprisingly.
Well, you know, like I like red color. So yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. So yeah, guys. Cheers.
I wish you happiness and being able to laugh every day about something. Continued success and dreams fulfilled. Bill. Thank you, Bill. Thank you. That's really good wish. Oh, that's irrigator for teas.
Yes.
Oh my god, I really wanted one. It's a really practical present and it's really good. Thank you so much. Girls, enjoy my present. 𝒔𝒆𝒂𝒅.
Wow, Jack Sparrow. Oh my god. Let me see. We have
creative.
macadamia. Take a look. Oh my gosh. Let's try. Okay?
Oi, nuts. Oi, I love nuts. Always a good idea.
Guys, please take it. Join us. Wow.
Maybe it's my first time trying this.
Yes.
nut.
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
I'm hungry.
Let me try one more.
My Christmas wish is that the new year will be better than the last. Anthony. Oh, thank you, Anthony. Oh, Anthony. You know that I draw is my hobby. Merry Christmas, Taya. May all your holiday dreams and wishes come true, and may each day to come hold for you the magical feeling of Christmas. From your friend in the USA, Tracy. Hello, Tracy.
Good job, and these are his presents.
Oh, hand pack gloves. Interesting, never had one. Enjoy my present, Ricky Parrots. Oh yes, hi Rick.
So take a look, this is from our tourist. Ta-da!
Oh, thank you.
Take a look.
Thank you.
And do you know what? I want to show you something.
Juggle. Oh,
Yes.
come on, yes.
Juggle.
Juggle. Wow. Wow.
Yes.
I can't do this. Wow. Have a happy year ahead and that your channel explodes, Tim. Thank you, Tim.
And take a look, what do you have?
Oh, it's a gift certificate, beauty salon gift certificate. Thank you, Tim, so much. Merry Christmas to both of you. I hope all your Christmas wishes come true. Frank Curtis. Oh, thank you so much. I remember you are commenting me a lot.
Yeah, oh, that's wonderful. So the present for you and the present for me. Oh my gosh, let's open it up. Ta-da, guys. Oh my god, what do we have? Yummy.
Oh, this is amazing.
Sushi time. Yes, thank you so much. We can't wait to try them.
Yes.
Merry Christmas, Taya. And this is from my student, John. John, you're amazing.
Thank you, John.
This is for you.
Aww. I like this. It's a Christmas tree from Sweets. It's really yummy. Thank you. Yummy presents we like. Подарок для Таи. Йорис. Йорис. Таи, not U. But спасибо anyway. Thank you.
And this is for you, his present.
Intensive mask sheet. Oh wow, that's a lot.
That's a lot, and
That's really a lot.
Yes.
Thank you so much. My wish. Let us all help each other to be our best. Wow. For hair?
Yes.
Yeah, that's for hair. Oh, really cool.
Yes, it's like special spray.
Spray.
Spray to look, and you're gonna have a very, very shiny hair.
Yes. Thank you so much, Santa Claus.
Okay, Taya, go ahead.
Hello from Michael Perkins. Oh, привет, Michael. С Рождеством. Thank you so much. I hope the scarf you bought from my mom's knitting is fine and everyone loves it and it keeps you warm.
Oh yes, actually he said that it is wonderful.
Oh yeah?
Yes, it is wonderful. And well, we have this wonderful presents as well.
Uh-huh.
Please take it.
Yummy. Can I eat?
Don't eat, don't eat.
Okay,
Do you know what it is?
no.
Okay, you here?
Oh, it's not food?
It's not food. It's magnet.
Smells good. By the way. Yeah. Oh, thank you. That's
And
really
this
cute.
is ice cream for you.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Damn, that looks so real.
Yes, let's
Doesn't it?
take a look, guys.
Thank you, Michael. What? I wish peace, tolerance, may there be a food on your table, a roof over your head, and clothes to wear. 𝒓𝒂𝒔𝒆. I'm not sure how to read your name, but this is interesting wish and very, very practical. Thank you.
And well, you're absolutely right, it's practical, and I have something very delicious for you.
Nuts is always good. Macadamia, yes?
Yes,
macadamia nuts.
Good, good job. Your first time?
They are sweet.
Yes, with caramel.
Love is the best thing to share. Linton Comas. You guys are very philosophical.
And take a look. You get a philosophical present as well.
Philosophical present from Lush. It's a gift
Please open it.
certificate. No?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Look,
thank you, Linton.
it looks so cute.
Oh, look at this.
It's
Спасибо.
Welcome.
I like this brand, so it's a really good choice.
Guys, please make some notes. She likes it. So, Taya, please tell me, did you like our surprise?
Did I like it? I adore it. The best surprise I ever had. So much effort, so much time from you, from you guys. I didn't expect that to happen, and I really like that you appreciate my efforts, and I appreciate Maryna's efforts and your creativity, guys, and so many things I need, I like, and thank you everyone for being with me. And this is the best thing I have so far in my life, and I hope I will make you happy in the future like you made me happy today.
Oh yes, guys, we did it! Very good, very good. Taya, give me please hug.
Yes, careful hug.
Guys, by the way, the interesting part was, right? How many participants?
Yes, how many?
I don't remember.
Assuming 20 people.
You're assuming 20
I'm
people?
assuming around 20 people.
I can tell you right now, guys. So, 33 participants.
Guys, this is crazy. You are crazy.
Yes.
33 participants, 33 people.
Yes.
Wow. It's just
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable, yes.
So yeah, Taya. And me as well. I forgot. 34. Of course, yes, 34. So yes, plus me. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for participation. I love you and see you in the next video, guys.
See you.
See you.
Пока.
Bye. Пока.